Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into Solana on Layer 3. This is a brand new part of the Solana side of the ecosystem on Layer 3, and it is a whole new set of quests and campaigns and streaks and rewards built in. They have some staking only quests in here. So this was just announced yesterday, October 8th. So this is super early, but it's great to see them incorporating other chain. It's a little weird because we've done Solana just on the Layer 3 main page, and now they've added a Solana network where it's just Solana-based quests, and yeah, so we'll explore that together. But first, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Just like Layer 3 giving out the rewards all year long now that they've had their airdrop. So they're finding out ways of giving more rewards to people. Just earlier today, I completed a quest on Layer 3 that was rewards for the Blast network. So I'll show you this. So rewards on Layer 3 are still being handed out, and they will keep coming because you want to keep your user base, right? So the Blast through rewards, you had to collect at least 25 cubes on Blast. You had to complete the Blast through Uniswap, the Thruster Finance, and Jumper Exchange, and your rewards. So 1,600 Blast tokens, which came out to be $15. So this is what reward. It's not the like you're gonna get that same amount of rewards every time. It all differs, but staying active on Layer 3 is important, very important. So now that they have their Solana, it's gonna be a lot more to focus on. So if you do need any help with this, jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. I don't have it pulled up right now. Well, actually, the rules and guidelines, I'll just kind of pull this up. But if you do need any help with this, jump in the Discord, and I'm going to kind of go over some of the initial quests to start while this loads. So if you've done Layer 3 before, you should have all this stuff set up. I'm just going to kind of go through some of these, and we don't have to really spend a lot of time on them, but the Discord's not pulling up, so that's okay. I know my signal in here is very crappy today. So setting up a Phantom wallet. The Phantom is one of the leading wallets on Solana, and this guide will help you set it up. So I don't know, wherever you get your extensions from, your Phantom app or Phantom wallet, but they should have a link right here, install Phantom. And if you have already done this, then you should be good to go. If you haven't, they show you how to set one up. You're going to create a new wallet, create a password, continue, and then your secret recovery phrase right here, you should write that down. Do not copy it, do not save it on your computer, write it down on a piece of paper, and you'll have to confirm that, and then you'll install the Phantom wallet. And this is it right here, the Phantom wallet. And you can add an address on here in your profile. Go to edit profile and add your Solana address, connect wallet, and there you go. So acquire Solana. Now you can get Solana through the wormhole, all bridge, just a couple. The wormhole bridge, it's not bad. Sometimes it takes a while for it to bridge over, but you can bridge from any of these chains to Solana, and that way you can have some Solana on there. So when you get your Solana, you'll be able to claim your cube. And here is some of the basics of Solana. You want to read more about it. Pretty fast throughput and execution. I don't have any referral codes for this. So yeah, and here's the intro to Phantom, how to use Phantom. I've already done that. You can claim your unique username. I didn't have to claim one, but you do have to swap via Phantom. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Oh yeah, create your unique username. We can do that right now. Continue. Blockchain report 142. Okay, there we go. And you can swap right in the app itself. It's nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Right here, this little swap thing. And I just swapped a little bit into USDC. You can do any amount. Just swap it right in here, and then you'll be good to go for that. Solana security, just talking about safety and security and keeping your seed phrase safe. Yeah, your seed phrase is the master key to your wallet. You want to have a multi-wallet system, a 4-wallet system. There you go. Cold storage. Purpose is storing your most valuable assets. Minting wallet. Used only for minting NFTs. Trading wallet. You buy and sell, trade NFTs on marketplaces. And staking wallet. And you can go here and revoke any token approvals or contract interactions that you may have, and you can claim that. We'll go ahead and do, there's some understanding tokens, block explorers. All these other ones are just kind of read and learn. So I'm going to go back here, and we're going to complete a couple couple more. We're gonna look at what rewards mechanisms are built in. So we're gonna show all. Let's see what we got here. So some of these hyped now, and they got Archeum. Let's check out Archeum since I recently did a video on that one. Let's see if they have any. So we've covered this. If you want to check out more about Archeum, the parallelized confidential computing network that offers developers and applications a trustless, verifiable, and efficient framework for running encrypted computations. So their goal is to bring confidentiality to every on-chain application. Pretty cool. And continue. Okay, so yeah, these are pretty easy. I noticed that some had staking rewards, or not staking rewards, but staking requirements. So I want to check that out as well. Let's see here. Transact on Solana. These are some daily tasks that you can do just by making a transaction. You can mint a cube. That's a transaction. So here you go. Degen zone, precision or prediction quests. Okay, so these unlock in a couple days, and these have a small amount of staking requirements. So 420, 69. That's cool. I like when they be silly. So these other ones unlock in a few days. Let's check out one that is unlocked. Precision play, but this isn't a staking exclusive, even though we'll still go. Okay, hit positions for additional rewards. Oh, okay. So participants who complete the quest by minting the cube at specific timestamps will unlock additional rewards. The exact position of each participant is determined by cube minting time verified on the blockchain. Cool. These are the key positions. Rewards will be claimed later. Jupiter is the top liquidity aggregator on Solana, making it easy to find the best prices for token swaps across various decentralized exchanges. Oh, excuse me. So you can swap any amount of Jupiter via layer 3 or Jupiter token itself. Soul to soul? No, soul to jupe. Jupe, baby. Jupe, baby. Jupe. Come on there. Jupe, baby. Jupe. Or I wonder if it'll work on here. Actually, we'll just do a little swap right here and confirm. Remember, it has to be within 60 minutes of the transaction. Interesting. Doesn't seem to be swapping for me. Nope, there you go. Looks like it'll take a second. So there you go. And that's pretty much all I wanted to bring to you guys. You know, Layer 3 has more of an in-depth post on this. So they're trying to utilize these ecosystems. So their goal, provide 24/7 fun to Solana user plus the best UX in the ecosystem. Create a consumer distribution layer for all Solana protocols and enable Solana teams and users to use the L3 token. So token migration is coming soon via Wormhole. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is a separate Solana focused app, but you're part of a unified L3 ecosystem on the back end. So that's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So here's some of the dexes, liquid staking tokens, wallets, and you can head over and open your first loot box, which I have not done yet. I did yesterday, but this is great. This is great. Let's see what we got. 100 XP. But what else? That's it. There you go. Check it out. Solana on Layer 3, a whole separate thing. So gonna be pretty cool to see what kind of rewards and stuff they'll be handing out. So yeah, this one I think you have to buy an NFT. So I might just yeet it and get a little something for $1. But there you go. Check it out. Get those rewards. And remember, stake your L3 tokens. So I appreciate you all so much. If you have any questions, comments, jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.